Hi, I'm Jennifer Ruggles. Welcome to my library internship story at Neal Elementary. Why did I choose to intern at the library? I'm an interdisciplinary studies major. My emphasis is computer information technology and my minor is English. I chose that degree path because I would love a master's degree in library science, so this fits perfectly with my future plans. I was working at the time as a kindergarten aide in our elementary school, which is a full-time job. At the end of March, the Spirit told me I needed to quit my job in the fall and go back to school full-time. That moved my graduation date forward an entire year, so it was necessary that I get my internship done quickly. And the location was very important, and let me tell you why. This is my family. I'm a single mom of 3 kids, one in high school, one in middle school, and one in elementary school. That comes with a lot of obligations. Adding an internship at a new location that took more time from my family was perfectly impossible. I called BYU Idaho to find out what was necessary for my internship, and they let me know it's difficult to be an intern while you are in a full semester, so that took away my fall and winter options. I quickly realized I needed to do my internship before I left my current full-time work at the elementary school. That started me on the process of obtaining my library internship. I needed to find out if the librarian even wanted an intern. Would the principal allow it? Would my team leader let me take a little bit of time away from kindergarten to get some internship done? And would BYU approve this plan? I quickly drew up a library internship proposal outlining the status of my work and how long it would take to do. I submitted it to the librarian and the principal. I also started the approval process with the university. Lucky for me, everybody approved, and in one short week, I was able to start work just in time to meet 100 hours within 7 or 8 weeks before school ended on May 31st. It was a real blessing. I was able to accomplish that by coming in half an hour early, staying an hour late, and going to library with the kindergarten every day for an hour. That had me change my lunch hour, so I was no longer eating with my team, but they were gracious enough to give me a half hour later in the afternoon so that I could eat. I loved working in the library. It gave me practical experience for my resume and for graduate school, and I found out that I loved my future career. I used a lot of skills like time management and hard work, which I learned in the Pathway program. Classes like Excel, research, and fundamental writing helped me create lesson plans that I implemented with kindergartners. I networked with the kindergarten teachers like I learned in my internship class to make sure my lesson plans supported their classroom teachings. I loved teaching them this lesson on inventors, and it was so much fun. In my children's literature class, I learned to evaluate children's books and also questions I could use to engage the students, which was my favorite and most challenging part of my internship. I loved reading to those kids, and I felt if I could keep them occupied and engaged, I could pretty much conquer the world. My advice for future interns is this is your chance to check out something new, to try on a career choice or a job before you're fully committed. My second piece of advice is whether or not you love your choice, work as hard as you can. It will bless your life and the lives of those around you, and you will get a reputation as a hard worker that will bless you with recommendations and great jobs in the future. Good luck!